Hi everyone, welcome back to Marvelous Beauty World. Beautiful people, thank you so much for your support, helping, so I do appreciate. Today we'll be doing another video on ginger drink, but this time we're gonna add like some pineapple skin. So we're gonna peel our pineapple and then we're gonna use the pineapple skin. So as we know, the pineapple has a lot of health benefits such as rich in vitamin C, manganese, and all of that. So we'll be needing to add on our drink today. So we'll be needing a grapefruit, lemon, lime, clementine, and then we need 4 heads of ginger, because previously I did a ginger video in French. So people ask me like, please mommy, can you do like another version in English, and then maybe you can add some fruit, because like not everyone is able like to just drink ginger juice on its own. And then we're gonna use some turmeric. As we know, turmeric is really good like for health, you know, it's an anti-bacteria, anti-inflammatory, and then it's really good as well to add some taste on the food. So let's get started. The pineapple skin in the pot. I'll put the skin and then I will add with the pineapple core, the middle, like the hard part of the pineapple. So I will add it as well. So our pineapple, we're gonna eat it, so we just need like the pineapple core. So this is the hard part of the pineapple. So I will just chop it and then add on the pineapple skin on the pot. So that's what we need. Here I've got like 4 heads of ginger here, and then 2 heads of turmeric here. So I'm gonna just like chop it. After chopping it, so I'm gonna blend it, and then I will add on my pineapple skin. So I'm just putting it here. Yeah, that's me just putting my ginger inside the mixer. Yeah. So I will be mixing it. I will add a little bit of water so for it to be able to mix properly. Now, today we just pack all the nice ingredients to go along with our pineapple skin ginger. So next time when you buy the pineapple, please don't throw away the skin, because it has a lot of healthy benefits. So as you can see, I'm just putting my water here on the pot. So 1 cup of this one for like 1 medium pineapple skin, it's fine. So I just put it here. So you have to make sure that the water is boiled, yeah, or warm. So that's the ginger. Now I'm adding ginger. Yeah, that's me blending the turmeric now. So I did blending ginger first, and then now I'm blending the turmeric. So we have here, so like the pineapple skin with the core, the hard part of the pineapple. So I blend some fresh ginger fruit, and then that's the fresh turmeric I'm putting. So in terms of like grams, I think maybe this ginger can be like 200 grams, and then the turmeric can be like 150 grams. Yeah, so we're gonna cover it and then let it boil for half an hour. So for us to be able to get our drink, so we just cover, let it boil for half an hour. I am cutting my collection of vitamin C. So that's the lemon, lime, and grapefruit. The lime, so I did a nice collection of vitamin C. So it was the grapefruit, lemon, lime, and lastly I will put the clementine. So this one is just gonna add some nice flavor in our drink, ginger drink. That's a super extra boost immune system. Like for this time around, you know, they are releasing the lockdown, so we have to make sure that we protect ourselves, you know, against what is going on out there. So that's how it looks like so far. So that's the drink boiling, you know, after 10 minutes of boiling. So we have like more 20 minutes left, so to make it like half an hour while it's boiling. So I'll just come at the end. So that's me with my drink juice here. So I've put here lemon, lime, and clementine. So I'll let it rest. When the mixture will be ready, so I will add it just at the end. So that's my time is up now. So I'm finishing to boiling my drink. So now I'll add up this mix of the fruits, and then I will let it set. I'll let it set. Yeah guys, that's how it looks like after boiling our pineapple skin with our fresh ginger. So if we look in terms of grams, so the ginger was kind of like 200 grams, and the turmeric was like 100 grams, with 1 lemon, 1 lime, and 1 pomegranate. So now I'm gonna serve the juice now. Pour in it and then to serve it. Yeah. So you have to make sure that you serve it properly. So all of it. That's the juice here. So we've got like our full blended vitamin C here, which is gonna help you like boost, you know, your immune system during this time of releasing lockdown, you know. So you have to make sure that you protect yourself. So that's the leftover. So this one goes in the bin, so we don't need it anymore. As long as a teaspoon of honey. So that's the first one. The second one. That's it. So I'm gonna stir it. Yeah, that's our juice ready to drink. So you can put it in a glass and then drink. That is gonna help you so much. This juice is really nice, guys. You should try it. By the time you try it, you will never ever throw your pineapple skin away. So I will see you on my next one. Bye.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again next time. Bye.